Hi friends, today I'm showing you the free open source tool I use to remove the silences from my videos. We are trying this first in localhost and then we are deploying with Vercel. I'm here in the repo and I just need to do yarn run dev. Now I have this running in port for Node.js and you can see this running. You can see this is pretty different to what you see in the hosted version that exists currently. So I'm dragging a file here, the last video I did, which was about Moises.ai. The analysis is super fast. We are showing the developer tool so that we can see interesting things. We can tweak a few things, for instance, the mean volume, and we can also decrease the mean duration of the talking, and click again on Analyze, and you can see that the results are a bit different. When it finishes, it tells you the new duration. Once we are ready with this, we can click on Export, and we could also export the timeline. You can see here traces, FFmpeg is loaded, and in network you can see it's working. Instead of waiting, I'm showing you a bit more about how the UI works because this is quite great. You have here the timeline and you can add zones. For instance, if I want this zone to be added manually, I click on zone add. That way you can add it, but you can also remove zones. First you click on zone delete and you click on the zone you want to remove. I remove this, and you can start playing to see how this is working. And yeah, it was pretty well. Now we are deploying this into Vercel to have a round hosted solution. I am here in my Vercel account and clicking on import. It detects that it's a beta project. We will try with the default. We see an error that I need to fix. I'm pasting the error in ChatGPT. Okay, and we are doing this thing. Let's see if now it works. Yeah, but it worked. Go to the dashboard and we're visiting it. Okay, here we have it. And it should work the same way, but with my own Vercel deployment. Yeah, you can see it works again. As we have some more time, we are checking the code a bit to see interesting stuff. So we said this is a Node.js project. Here we have the source code is loading a PP component. I don't know Vite, but it's like React, right? We have a video editor component and a uploader component. This is the uploader. Let's try to see where is the hardcore thing done. The silence removing, actually silence removing. Okay, and it's happening here in the video renderer file. This does import ffmpeg from this base URL. It calls the library with load, a blob URL. This way it loads ffmpeg, the parameters it sends. And the regions, which are the different parts without the silence, they get it from here, from wavesurfer ref. Okay, this thing. Okay, it's this library, wavesurfer.js, what is being used. And it's using this plugin, regions of audio, regions, but somehow it has to be detecting the regions. It just calls get regions. Okay, this is happening in the silent helper.ts, analyze regions. It gets the static plugin region plugin. Here is the configuration for silent config. It calls extract regions. Find regions separated by silence. Okay, so here he is actually filtering the regions. So this is being done here directly. Okay, fair enough. See you in the next video.